Special Agent McCool has led security details for powerful world leaders. Today, he leads members of the Secret Service and other law enforcement, part of a 3-day operation protecting vulnerable communities.
And we got 14 teams that are going out and they're going to stores. They're looking at ATMs, they're looking at point of sales terminals, they're looking at gas stations, and we're looking for skimmers.
New York City has been a hotbed for EBT skimming.
The last operation we found 65 over the 3 days. The one before that we found 55. And last year we found a total of 133. So we estimate that's about 139 million of fraud loss prevented.
Before we tagged along for Operation Flagship 4.0, we got a close look at what they're aiming to spot.
These are our ATM skimming devices.
To protect your privacy.
As a customer comes in and inserts their credit or debit card or EBT card, the information is then stored on the skimming device.
They're also trying to spot point-of-sale machines that may be compromising your sensitive information.
What they will do is they'll come in and they will insert the device just like that. And it takes all of just what I did there, all of 2 seconds. They will come back and extract it at some point. The data can be downloaded on these devices. On this one, it had to be physically removed like the skimming devices at another point.
Once we saw what they were eyeing, Secret Service and law enforcement agencies visited Bronx bodegas and stores that may be an easy target, while giving business owners a crash course for what to look out for.
Feel this and see it? So there was probably an overlay here with the cameras.
One by one, ATMs and point-of-sale terminals were checked with devices.
Have you guys ever had a problem with your point-of-sale terminals?
Not here.
But these both look good.
For long-standing local businesses, they say SNAP benefits are a critical lifeline for customers, and enforcement will drive predators away.
Well, a lot of patients we have, they're like Medicaid patients or they're underserved. So it's very important that, their benefits don't get taken because these people have very little to go off of.
If you're wondering who's the culprit, we're told it's part of a transnational organized crime. For Secret Service, they say they're coming.
The message is we're going to be knocking on your door someday soon, and we're going to hold you accountable.
Phil Tate, Channel 7, Eyewitness News.